In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Judge.me reviews to Google Shopping Merchant Center. Before we begin, make sure you've collected enough authentic product reviews in Judge.me. Google uses these to power product ratings in shopping, so you want a healthy baseline of recent, real feedback. If you're still building up reviews, consider reminding recent customers or enabling post-purchase review requests in Judge.me so you're ready for this step. When you're set, head into your Shopify admin and open your apps. Find Judge.me, Reviews, and click into it, then go straight to Settings. We're going to enable the official product ratings feed that Google can read. In the Settings area, look for a section labeled Google and SEO, or in some versions, Google Shopping. The wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, but the options inside are the same. Click Manage to open those controls. Here, turn on the option labeled Generate Product Review Feed. This tells Judge.me to compile your published product reviews into a structured XML file that Google understands. Think of it as a live, shareable link that lists your products and their associated reviews in a format Google systems can automatically fetch and process. After toggling it on, make sure to save. That save is important. Until you save, the feed won't be created. Once you save, Judge.me will generate an XML review feed URL for you. This is the link you'll use when you're ready to connect product ratings to your Google Merchant Center. Keep it handy and treat it like configuration data. Don't post it publicly. The feed updates automatically as new reviews are published, so you don't need to regenerate it every time you collect more feedback. If you don't see the Generate Product Review Feed option, double-check that your Judge.me app is up to date and that you're in the correct settings section. It's also a good idea to verify your product data in Shopify. Consistent product IDs, SKUs, and GTINs help Google match reviews to the right listings. Mismatched identifiers are a common reason why ratings don't appear, even when the feed is set up correctly. That's it for generating the feed in Judge.me. You now have a live XML review feed URL ready for Google. In your broader workflow, this is the link you'll provide when setting up product ratings in your Merchant Center, where Google will fetch and display your review stars on eligible shopping listings. With the feed created and saved, you're one big step closer to showcasing social proof right where shoppers make buying decisions.